It's the Hello Kitty Haruka. This is his dream come true.
Please purchase a limited express ticket if you do not have one already.
In this video, I show how to take the Haruka Express Train from Kansai International Airport into the city of Osaka. Once you are in the arrival areas, what you are going to want to do is get on the escalator to go up to the second floor. On the second floor, there is a pedestrian bridge that takes you over to the train station. The Haruka Express also continues on to Kyoto, so if you are going to Kyoto, this video will help you out as well. It's basically all the same information. You just stay on the train a little bit longer than the Osaka stop. You can see here as you're crossing the pedestrian bridge, you're heading towards Kansai Airport station. So no matter what train you will be taking, this is basically where you want to be heading for your transportation. Google Maps works really great in Japan, so you can pop in your destination, your accommodation, and it'll tell you what train to take. If you're going near Namba station, you'll be taking most likely the Nankai Rapid Limited Express or the Nankai Airport Express, as opposed to the Haruka Express. But again, just pop it into Google Maps. There are actually other options depending on the price you want to pay and the time of day and when the next train is leaving, that type of thing. Once you've crossed the pedestrian bridge and come into the train station, this is what it looks like. You've got all sorts of machines and tellers where you can purchase different tickets into the city. And right behind you is where the trains are. There are two lines here, the JR line and the Nankai line. So depending on, and that's very common in Japan, so depending on where you're going, it's actually like two stations in one. I'm going to try purchasing a ticket for the Haruka Express to Osaka station.
Please select a section for the basic fare ticket.
Technology station 440 to technology,
change and ticket. If you need a receipt, press the receipt button. Please take your ticket in coins. Thank you very much.
It's 2,910 yen to Osaka station in what was called the ordinary car. This is a green car. I'm assuming it's more fancy. Always remember to take your ticket back. One thing to note is many different trains are using the same tracks, so when it says 4:14 is when the train is going, wait till that time. Don't just get on this train because it'll be a completely wrong train. A lot of things to think about. You got to know what platform you're on. In this case, it's platform 4. And then in a reserved ticket situation like the Haruka Express, you also get a car number and you get a seat number as well. Although not all tickets on the Haruka Express are reserved. Actually, on the sign it says non-reserved is cars 5 to 7. So definitely a lot to think about. It's organized, but it's chaotic until you get to know the system. It's the Hello Kitty Haruka. This is his dream come true. It's unbelievable. Great legroom.
I want to get a little. It's funny. On the window.
So we arrived at Osaka Station in about 48 minutes from the airport from Kansai.